Do you know सारे newborn across the world use just 5 universal sound to communicate. The first one is ne, and this means hunger. When babies feel hungry, they cry and ये automatically sound create करते हैं. The next word is ow, and this means they are sleepy, so they make an oval shaped mouth. The third one is है, and this means discomfort. इसमें H आपको clearly सुनाई देगा. इसका मतलब either they feel hot, cold, or they just need a diaper change. Sound number 4 is air, and this usually means lower gas. And the last one is air. This means there's an air bubble stuck in their upper chest, which means it's time for a burp. Amazing, right? 5 sounds and unlimited communication.